Donald Trump at a campaign rally, courtroom sketch, American flag waving in the background. In a dramatic turn of events that could reshape the 2024 election, former President Donald Trump is now officially set to stand trial on federal charges related to his handling of classified documents just weeks before voters head to the polls. A federal judge has scheduled the trial to begin in early October 2024, placing it right in the political crosshair of the final stretch of presidential race. Calendar graphing showing October trial date highlighted the zoom into November election. The case brought by Special Counsel Jack Smith centered on allegations that Trump willfully retained highly sensitive government documents at his Mar-a-Lago estate after leaving the White House and obstruct efforts to retrieve them. FBI agents outside Mar-a-Lago reject documents, legal filing experts. The indictment includes 37 felony counts, including violation of the Espionage Act and obstruction of justice. Prosecutors argue that the mishandling of the documents posed serious national security task. Trump has pleaded not guilty to all charges, calling the investigation a politically motivated witch hunt orchestrated by his opponents in Washington. Trump speaking at rally, waving arms, crowds chanting in USA. Donald Trump said that they are not coming after me, they are coming after you. I am just standing in the way. But the timing of her trial has ignited fierce debate, not just about justice, but about democracy itself. Trump remains the frontrunner in the Republican primary, and this trial will unfold as early voting begins. In many states, legal experts say that the case could stretch into election day potentially leaving the country with a convicted or acquitted nominee before ballots are even counted. Legal analyst interviews, then voters waiting in the line. The judge overseeing the case, Alien Cannon, a Trump opponent, previously delayed the trial and the amid disputed over classified evidence, but the latest schedule accelerated the legal clock. Despite Trump's lawyers arguing that a fair trial is impossible during a campaign. Judge Cannon's courtroom tracks of legal documents and protesters on both sides. Meanwhile, Trump is also facing multiple other legal battles, including state charges in Georgia for alleged election interference and a separate federal indictment over the January 6 Capitol riot. Altogether, he is facing over 80 criminal charges across 4 cases, an unprecedented legal clout for any presidential-centered. Split screen of courtrooms and campaign trail dramatic music builds. Still, his base remains loyal. According to recent polls, Trump's support among Republicans voters has remained strong, even rising after each indictment. But among independents and swing voters, the legal coach is a growing concern, with many questioning whether a candidate under active prosecution can lead a divided nation. As the October trial date approaches, the United States enters uncharted waters, where the courtroom and the campaign trail now collidate. U.S. Capitol fades into courthouse, then into the American flag, with the fate of a former president and perhaps the future of American democracy on the line. Stay with us for full coverage of the 2024 election and legal developments.